Hi everyone, we're going to do an application problem regarding navigation and using the law of sines. So we have an airplane that's flying from city A to B, so right here, A to B, at a distance of 150 miles. So this is miles, all right? Then he turns through an angle of 40 degrees, so this is where he's turning this way, and then heads towards city C. Okay? If he turns the other way, he's going to go in the wrong direction. So, if the distance between cities A and C is 300 miles, we want to know how far it is from city B to city C. So we want to know what this is. Well, the first thing I'm going to do is find this angle with the supplementary angle theorem. So I know this is going to be 140. So 140, because 140 plus 40 is 180. So now I have, I can use the law of sines and say the sine of 140 over 300 equals sine of x over 300. Not over 300, but 150, sorry. All right, so I got interrupted there. So anytime you're looking for the angle, let's see. Basically what we're looking for is C, so I wrote that down wrong. I knew something was off. Okay, so this is C. So first thing we want to find C before we find X. So we're going to cross multiply and we get 150 times sine of 140 over 300 equals the sine of my angle C. And then what we're going to get is sine of C equals 0.3214. So we're going to do the inverse sine, or sine inverse of 0.3214 to get your C. So my C angle is approximately 18.75 degrees. So this is 18.75 degrees. Now, if this is 18.75 degrees, and this is 140, you subtract both of those from 180, and you're going to get 21.25. So all three of these angles should equal 180. Now we can find angle X, and we're going to take sine of 21.25 over X equals sine of 140 over 300. And again, keep cross multiplying. 300 sine 21.25 over sine of 140, and degrees gives you your X. And so our X is approximately 169.16 miles. All right, so that's what your X is. All right, so the distance to B to C is 169.16. Now, to find the angle to turn, you're going to subtract C from 180. Okay, so that's all you have to do. So to turn, when we turn here, we're turning this way. So think of it this way, just like we did down here. To turn, all you're going to do is do 180 minus 18.75, and that is going to be 160. Whoops, I'm messy here. So that's going to equal 161.25 degrees. So that's what the pilot needs to turn through an angle to return to C. So we did have to use supplementary angles twice here. And remember, when you're turning on the outside of the triangle. And then you're going to have to subtract. Okay. Thank you. This is part B. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye-bye.